Hi and welcome to my video tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you exactly step by step how you can create your own travel blog with the help of WordPress and your own hosting. So I will guide you through all the steps in this video, what you have to do, so you can easily follow me in the video and you can see what I'm doing, and then you can replicate it. And also, of course, you can make changes on the website. If you don't like my style, what I'm doing, then I will explain you exactly how you can change the design, change the layout of your new blog. And this for example is the theme that we are using. So we are using a free theme in this tutorial. So the only thing that you have to buy is hosting for your new WordPress website, where you can install WordPress, and I will show you in this tutorial which hosting company is the best in my opinion. Of course, you can see how this works, how much you have to pay. So you have to pay under $2 to create your own WordPress website, your own new blog, and this is what I want to show you in this video as well. But of course you can use a hosting company, whatever you want. So you can use Ionos, you can use A2 hosting, everything, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you can install WordPress on this hosting. And then I will guide you through the whole process. I will show you everything, how you can customize this. I will show you exactly all the settings that we have to make on our new WordPress website. And then I will show you all the plugins that we need. I show you how we can install this free theme. And then we go to the customization. I show you exactly step by step how you can customize this template, and you can insert your own images, you can write your own blog posts. Of course, I will show you exactly how this works. And so I think then let's jump right into it. And I also include chapters in this video, so you can see all the chapters. So for example, if you already have hosting, then you can skip this chapter, or if you already have a logo, then you can skip the logo chapter, and so on. And I will show you everything here. So then I would say, then let's jump right into it and let's start your new own travel blog. And the first thing we need for our new blog is of course web hosting and a domain name. And if you are not already have web hosting or a domain name, here is a cool site for you where you can get a really cheap and really good web hosting and also a domain name. I will put the link to this website in the video description down below, so you can check it out yourself. So of course, if you have another web hoster, then you are good to go. But this is one of my favorites. So on this web hosting company, I host almost all my sites and most client sites of mine. So I want to show you real quick. So the good thing here is you will get really high performance hosting, you will get domain name, you get free SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is really important, so that your site and the communication with your site is secured, and you have the log icon in the in your browser bar. This is really important. So if you don't have SSL, then when somebody visits your website with Google Chrome, for example, then they will get a warning that this site is not secure. And this is why this is really important, that you will get free SSL. And let me show you. So here you can see they have 4 different plans. Here you can see the starter plan, drive plan, turbo boost, and turbo max. And all we need for our new blog, for example, is the startup plan. So the startup plan for a blog website, or even a company website, or even an e-commerce website, this is more than enough, because here you will see you will get one website, one domain name, 100 gigabyte of SSD storage. So 100 gigabyte SSD storage is really huge, and the most thing you will need storage for is the images and videos. For example, the main WordPress installation is not that big, so 100 gigabyte SSD storage is more than enough. And even if you bought the plan and then you will want to expand, then of course you can upgrade the plan at any time. And the good thing here is you will pay under $2 per month. So of course, yeah, you have to pay upfront, but then it comes down to under $2 per month for web hosting. And I think, yeah, this is pretty fair. And you will get with this plan, with the starter plan, you will get also the free SSL, you will get email accounts, unlimited email accounts, and even more features. So if you want to create the travel blog, or even a normal website, a company website, or even an e-commerce store, then this plan is more than enough. Here I can show you how this works. When you are on the website, link in the description down below, then you click on Get Startup, and then you will get redirected to this page. Here you can enter your informations, and then here you can see the plan we are choosing, startup web hosting. For 36 months, you will pay $70.20, so upfront. Then this comes down to under $2 per month. I think this is really fair. And here, if you don't have a domain already, you can register your domain. And if you already have a domain name, then you can connect your domain name. But if you don't have a domain name already, then you will click here, I need to register a domain name, and then you can input your domain name, .com, .net, .de. They have everything. So then you put it in here, then you can click on check availability, and here you can see this domain name is free. So I could register the domain name for $12 per year, I think it is. And then here you can select your server location. So when you are in the US, the United States, then you will choose East Coast or West Coast. If you are in Europe like me, I would choose Amsterdam. So Amsterdam is right around the corner, and I can choose this server location, or even Singapore if you are in Asia, or India. And then you have to pay for everything, and then after you paid, then the system will ask you if you want to install WordPress. So then you click yes, please install WordPress for me. And this is really easy. The setup program or the installation program of WordPress is really easy, because most of the people that get web hosting and a domain name want to install WordPress, or want to use WordPress, want to create a website with WordPress. And then the system asks you, like I said, if you want to install WordPress, then you click yes. And then all the installation process of WordPress is completely automated. You have to input the name, your email address, and a password and a username. You can create this. Of course, you have to write it down, because you need this information to log into your WordPress account. And then everything is done for you. Then there will be a button here. You can log into your WordPress account, and then this looks like this. So then you will get greeted with this WordPress dashboard. So this is a completely fresh WordPress installation. How this looks right now, I am on the WordPress version 6.6.1. It depends, of course, on the time when you will watch this video. Maybe it is now a little bit higher, but so this is the WordPress dashboard, how it looks like. This is how it looks for almost 10 years or 20 years now. This is how this looks like. Then in the next chapter I will show you the settings we have to make in WordPress. And then let's get started. I already closed the welcome screen, You can close it as well. And here we are now on the main dashboard of our new WordPress website. Here you can see the most important information, or you have an overview what's going on your website. Here, for example, we have the site health status. Later on, you can see here if your website is okay, or if you have to pay attention to something, or you have to fix something. This will display here. At a glance, we see our posts. So we have one demo post, and here are the sites or the pages. We have one demo page, and here you can see we have one demo comment, and then here activity. You can see the comment. This is the demo comment here. When you later on get comments on your blog post, for example, then you can manage them from this screen here. You can see when you hover over this, you can unapprove it. You can edit this. You can put it in the spam or in the trash folder. I will put it in the trash, because this is a demo comment. Then yeah, here you have the upcoming events. So this depends on your location. For me, it's right now yeah, no upcoming events in my location right now. Or select your location. Okay, here I can select my location. Okay, then I have to select my city, and then when there is a WordPress meetup or something, then yeah, these informations will get displayed here. Then you can click on it, and then yeah, you can join the local WordPress community. This is really nice. Here you have a quick draft when you want to make a quick article or a quick blog post. Then you can write this here. So give it a title, write the content here, and then you can save it as a draft, and you can edit this later. And yeah, here you can move them around, so you can arrange them if you want to. And this is, yeah, later on here will appear some other content boxes. When we install more plugins, then these plugins will appear here, or the main informations will appear here. Yeah, then let's see. So the next is posts. When we click here on posts, when we hover over posts, let me go back. When we hover over posts, then we can see here all posts. Then we can click here. We could click here, add a new post, so we can write a new blog post. Here are the categories, so we can view all the categories, or we can even create new categories for our blog. But for now, I want to click on all posts, and here you can see hello world. This is a demo blog post, so later we can delete this blog post. And when you hover over a specific blog post, then you can see you can edit this, you can quick edit this, you can put it in the trash, or you can view it. Here you can see the author of this. The specific author of the post is admin. Yeah. Then the category, so this is uncategorized because we have no category right now. And here you can see the tags, and then here you can see the comments, and here is the date, the publish date. And yeah, then let's move on to media. Here is our media library. Here will later appear all our images, our videos, our graphics will appear here. You can add new media files from this button here, or you can manage your media library. You can delete images or videos. Then let's go to our pages. When I hover over pages, then I can see all pages, or I can add a new page. So I will click right now on all pages. Here you can see our privacy policy. So this is right now in draft mode. So draft mode means that the website or the page is created but not published yet. Then here we have a published sample page. You can see here is no draft thingy behind this. Then this means the page is live. Yeah, and right now we have only 2 pages. You can see the creator and the publish date. Then we can click on comments. Here we can see all our comments. Then let's go here to appearance. So when we click on appearance, we can see all our themes, our activated theme and other themes we have installed. So later we want to delete them. So these are the standard WordPress themes that comes with every WordPress installation, every new WordPress installation. Here you can see activated right now is 2024. We also have installed 2023 and 2022. So later on we want to delete them because it's better when we only have one installed theme and one activated theme. So these themes are useless and they take disk space, and we want to clean this up. So it is really simple to delete them. So we have to click on a theme, and then we have a delete button down here, and then we can click on delete and delete. Now this theme is gone, but this we want to do later. Then let's go to plugins. So here you can see, let me click on plugins. Right now we don't have any plugins installed. So later on here will be displayed all our installed and activated plugins. So then we can manage them here. We can activate the automatic update function. Users, this is only our user. So we only have one user, me the admin, or you the admin. You can of course create later new users. So if you have somebody that wants to write for your blog, then you can make a new user and give them the rights to write blog posts. And then let's go to tools. Here is nothing special. These are some expert functions you don't have to bother with. Then let's go to settings. So here we have to make some important settings. So when we hover over settings, then we can see general. So let's click on general. Here you can see now the title of your blog post. For me, it's travel blog tutorial. Then tagline, we don't need a tagline. Site icon we will do later. Site icon means the fav icon of our website. So the fav icon right now we have only the standard WordPress fav icon thingy. We will later create our own and replace this, but this will we do later. Here you can see your WordPress URL address. So right now for me it is this address because .local, because I installed this WordPress website, this tutorial website on my local computer. This is why it is .local. But here you don't have to change anything. You can leave it. And then here you can change your email address. So this is really important that you have a valid email address, that you have access to this email address. So when you, for example, forget your WordPress login password or something like this, then the recovery will get sent to this email address. And this is why this is important, that this email address here is valid. So for me, it doesn't matter because this is a local installation, and this is why I have this dev email address, developer email address. But for you, make sure that you have a valid email address here. So then membership, it is not important for us. New user role, make sure that it's on subscriber. Then here you can set your language, or the language of your website. For me it is English right now. You can change this here. Then the time zone, it's not that important, it is a little bit important, because when you, for example, when you write more blog posts or make blog posts in a bulk, then and put it in draft mode, then you can set up that this blog post will automatically get published on a specific date, on a specific time. And this is, you can set it up. I will show you later how this works. That's important, or that's why you have to choose your time frame here, or your time zone. Then you can set the specific blog post on this specific date and this specific time when the blog post automatically gets published. So then if you made any settings, then click on Save Changes. This is really important that you always click on Save Changes. Let's go to writing. Here is nothing too special. So for example, here you could input your mail server address, login name and password to a specific email address. Then you can, for example, can write blog post on your phone and then send it to this specific email address, and then WordPress sees that there's a new email, and then they will grab the content of the email and publish this as a blog post. But I don't think that this function is interesting for you, but it is possible. Let's go, and here you can see where WordPress will automatically publish this email content. Right now you can set here the category and the post format. Yeah, then let's go to reading. Here we can leave everything, so this we will do later, and make sure when you are on reading, make sure that here is no check mark in search engine visibility. Make sure that here is no check mark. So when here is a check mark, then this means that we don't allow any search engine like Google, Bing or the other search engines out there to index our website, to discover our website, to crawl our website. So, but yeah, we want that all the search engines like Google, Bing have access to our website. This is why it is so important that here is no check mark. And then yeah, click on Save Changes. And discussion, this is not important. Media is also not important. What's next? What's important is permalinks. So when we click here on permalinks, then make sure that this is on post name. For me, it's already on post name. So when it's set to plain, for example, then your URL structure would look like this. Question mark P equals 1, 2, 3, or here is the year and month and date, and then your site name. So this is not SEO friendly and also not good for your reader. So what we want is a clear URL structure like this, our domain name, and then the name of our post, for example, or the name of our page. Yeah, and this is important, that is set to post name. And when you change this, make sure to click on Save Changes. And then the next thing is privacy. So here you can see that is set to our privacy policy. Make sure that you set it later to your actual privacy policy page. If this not set already correctly, then click on Use this page, and then you set up your privacy policy. So okay, cool. And the next step is that we want to install our theme. And this is the theme we want to install. So the theme is called Rishi Theme. Rishi Theme is a really good theme. So we are using the free version of Rishi, but also the free version is more than enough. We get so many options. You can build really high quality websites or blogs with Rishi. They also have a paid plan or paid templates, but we want to use a free template for this tutorial. I will put the link to Rishi also in the video description down below, so that you can follow me. Just go to the video description, click on the link to Rishi, and then you land on this website here. So now all we have to do is download Rishi for free. You can see the big button here. I will click here. And now we have to enter our email address and our first name, our last name, so we don't have to input our credit card information or something like this. So this is completely free. Yeah, we have to input our email address, name and last name. Let me do this real quick. And then we have to click on download now. So, and now we will get an email, and also in this email is our key for the website. So this is important that we save this email, or you copy this email with the key and save it somewhere on your computer, or write it down or print it out or something like this. And then we will also get the download link for the theme. So let me visit my email program real quick. Okay, and here is the email I got from Rishi. So now we have to click on the download link. Oh, and here in this email, we don't get the license key. So later or after we install the theme, then we have to install another plugin, so from Rishi, and there we have a license key that we have to save. So here is nothing we have to save. We only have to click the link, the download link, to download our theme. Let me do this. I will click here. Oh, and now here is the key and everything we need. Sorry for the confusion. So here is our key, license key. You can see this here, license key. And yeah, please save it somewhere, save on your computer or print it out or something like this. So you can see it is $0, is completely free. And somewhere here is, yeah, down this page is the blue link with the Rishi theme. You can see here Rishi 2.0.8. Then we click here, and I think now now the download has started and is already completed. So this is really small. Then now we have to save this theme file somewhere on our computer. So it's I think it's good if you make a folder, call it your travel blog or something like this, and there you can save everything. You can save the theme file, and also the plugins that we downloaded. You can save it all in this folder, and also all the images you have. So make a folder where you can store everything, and let me do this. In this folder I will put the Rishi file. So here's the Rishi file. So you don't have to extract it. We will upload the complete zip file to our WordPress website. Then we will go again to the website, to our dashboard, and here we will go now to Appearance and then Themes. So, and here we will click on Add New Themes or Add New Theme, and here you can see the whole WordPress library of themes, of free themes. You will see here Astra theme, Cadence, and are thousands and thousands of different themes. But what we want to do is we want to click on Upload Theme, because we have the theme file on our computer. Then we will go to Choose File, and here we have to choose the file that we have downloaded. So, and here is the Rishi file. I will click on Open and then on Install Now. And now the theme file, it's sent to our WordPress installation, and here you can see it's already installed. Then I can click on Activate. And now the theme is activated. Here you can see active Rishi, and here these two themes are not activated. We can delete them later. And here we get a new information. We strongly recommend you to activate Rishi Companion plugin. So, and this is what we want to do now. Then you can see here the download Rishi Companion. Then we can click here, and now we have the button here. Now we on the Rishi Companion side, and here we have the button free download. And we click here, and now again we have to enter our email address again, and our name and our first name, or our first name and our last name. Let me do this. Perfect. And now I click on Download Now. Yeah, and here you can see the email has sent, and now I have to visit my email program again. And I will check for new emails, and there it is. So I got the email. And here again is the link. We click here on the link. And yeah, here you can see your purchase is complete. So and here again, please save this email or the content or the email, the page. Please save the page or the content of the page, because yeah, here is the license key. So we need the license key in a moment to activate this plugin. So, and further down you can see the button, Rishi Companion button. Then again we click here on this button, and now the plugin is downloaded to our computer. Let me put the plugin into my folder, downloads, and here it is. Now I have two folders. I'm one the main theme and then the Rishi Companion plugin. Perfect. Let's go back to our WordPress website. So, and now we have to go to plugins. When we click on plugins, then we can see here the button add new plugin. Then we click here, and here is the whole library of the WordPress plugin library. You can see here featured, here are a few, and then we have the popular plugins, recommended plugins, favorites, your favorites, and also we have the plugin search bar. Here we can search for specific plugins if you need a special function for your website or a special plugin, then you can go here to search plugins and type the name or type the category, and then you can hit enter, and then all the plugins will shown up here. Then you can install them and activate them. But what we want to do now is we want to click on upload plugin, and then again choose file, and here we choose the Rishi Companion plugin, click on open, and now we click on install now. So, and here you can see we can click on activate the plugin. There is our Rishi Companion plugin. Here you can see now we get a new message. Please activate the plugin or please activate the plugin license. So this is why we need the license code. So then we click on here, and here you can see input the license key. So now again we will go to the email, and now I will copy the license code. I go to page, paste in the license code, and then I click on activate license. So all this is completely free, and all the links are in the video description, like I said. So yes, now you can see your license key for Rishi is activated on the site. Then we go to starter sites. Here you can see on the left side, you can see starter sites. And this is where we want to install again a plugin. So this we don't have to download. So this will automatically get installed when we click the button here, the green button. Just takes a moment. Yeah, and now we can see all the starter websites. So what we want to do, I want to install for this. For this, we want to search for our blog template. Here you can see Rishi offers us a ton of different pre-made websites or website content. Here you can see for an agency website, for example, we could download and install this demo content. Then our website would look like this. And here also you can see the ribbon with that pro. So these are pro templates, pro demo content websites. There you have to pay, but we want to use a free website template. So let me see. Where is it? Oh, we can use the search bar, but I don't know the name right now. I think it's called Travel Block, but I'm not too sure. Let me see. So you can see they have a ton of pre-made templates for websites and blogs. Here, now I found it. Yeah, Travel Block. It's called a Travel Block. And here on Travel Block, when we click on preview, then yeah, this is how our new travel blog would look like. So of course we can fully customize this, and I will show you how to customize this page, this website. We also need some sites that we will add. So here you can see are the categories, the blog categories: trending, popular, destination, camping. Yeah, we can fully customize this. So of course, if you don't want to have camping, the category camping, we can add our custom categories, and here we can place our logo. And I think this website, this blog page looks really clean and really good. So you can see also we have a sticky menu, a sticky category menu. I really like this. And here, yeah, trending articles, popular, most popular posts, yeah, hot picks, latest news. But we can fully customize this, and I will show you how this works. So yeah, this looks good. Then we can close this page, and then we will click on the blue button here, import. So yeah, here's again a preview, and then we will click on import complete site. Here you can see import customize settings, import widgets. So make sure that these are all activated. Delete previous import sites. We don't have to check this because yeah, it's a brand new WordPress installation. Import content, also important. Then we click on import. So and now everything gets imported. Here you can see installing plugin post X. Then all the content. And yeah, this takes a while. So import is successful, perfect. Then yeah, now we are greeted with this message here, and now we can click on view site, and let's do this. And here is our new site. So you can see we have some images here, and here are some sample posts. Can see my hello world post, and yeah, you can see how this works. So, and also we have a cool banner that we can customize later, and yeah. Okay, so then our site is live, and now I can close all this here. Yeah, great. Then we can go back to the dashboard or to the WordPress backend, and here we can click on X. Then yeah, so I think let's go back here, and I think now we can start customizing our website so that yeah, that the website looks good, and we have to make our logo, and this is what I want to show you now. And first, what I want to do is I want to create a logo and a fav icon. So if you not already have a logo and a fav icon, then yeah, maybe you can follow me here, so you can create your logo in the different programs. I don't know which graphic program you are using. I am using Canva and Photoshop. I will make this in Canva, so yeah, that you can follow me here. So Canva is free. They have a free version, and also they have a pro version, but you it's enough that you have the free version of Canva. So I have the pro version of Canva, so I pay for this on a monthly basis, but you can use a free Canva version. And then to create our logo and our fav icon, we can click on create a new design. Then I click on custom size, and here 800 pixels by, I don't know, 350 or something like this. Then create a new design. Then I will give this a name, travel logo. So I will make a real quick logo here. So nothing too fancy. And when you are using Canva, and the good thing about Canva, they have a ton of different templates. So they have logo templates, they have almost everything. Let's search here real quick for travel logo. Maybe they have something pre-made. Okay, they don't. here is nothing. So let's go to elements, travel logo. Okay, here they have yeah, pre-made graphics, so then we will use some pre-made graphics here. You can see they have really cool graphics. I really like this, or this is cool as well, or this. There are so many cool travel logos, or this airplane is also really cool. Yeah, let me choose one real quick. So let's go back to top. Let's choose this, for example. This is cool, and also we can reuse this as a fav icon. So then I will make this a little bit bigger. Maybe this is too big. Let's put it here, and then text. Let me go. Maybe we choose a normal font. So yeah, let's choose a normal font. So of course, yeah, you can play around with this, and if you make the perfect logo, of course this takes time. This takes hours to create a perfect logo, but I want to make it real quick, so I choose this font, then ungroup. But you can play around with all these types of fonts here. For example, let me make this a little bit smaller. My travel smaller. Oh, duplicate this. My travel block. Go here. Let's make the color and this color. Bigger, make let's see here. Are this too big? This smaller. Effects, maybe we give this a shadow, but a black shadow. Here also a black shadow. Can we edit image? Can we make here a shadow, maybe outline? Drop shadow. Yeah, make this a drop shadow. Oh, and perfect. Now we have our yeah, new cool travel blog logo. Perfect. But yeah, for this tutorial, real quick logo. So then we click on share, download, and if you're not subscribed to the premium version of Canva, you cannot activate the transparent background, but you can also download this with a non-transparent background and later convert this to a logo with a transparent background. So for example, you can search online for background removal tools, online background removal tools, or then you can upload your image or your logo there, and then they will yeah, remove the background and make the background transparent. And yeah, there are so much free tools out there. Simply search on Google for a background remover tool or free background remover tool or something like this. And also, for example, if you are on Mac, then you can on Mac is the function already integrated. So then simply when you downloaded this logo without a transparent background, and when you are on Mac, you can right click this and then select quick actions, I think, and then this is yeah, remove background. So I don't know Windows, I don't know if Windows have this function, but I don't think so. Mac offers this function. Yeah, so you can do this. For me, I have the premium version. I click on transparent background, then I click on download, and now this logo gets downloaded. Great. Then I will go back to Canva, and now we have to make the fav icon. So I will leave this on 800 and make this on to 800 as well. Then I click on create new design, and I will give this new file the name of travel fav, travel fav, or travel fav icon. Then I go to elements and I will use this again. So I will make this the complete page. Again, go to share, download, transparent. Here as well, you need a transparent background. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you will do this in the free background remover tools, the free online background remover tools, or you use your Mac and the background removal function of your Mac. So then I will download it. And I have to put something in the background. I don't know why, but Canva is a little bit strange. And I will click on position to back, so then this is not visible. Share, download, transparent background, and download. So now this is getting downloaded, and now I will put these files into the travel blog folder. There's the folder. Now I'll put the both images here. So, and here, yeah, when you are using Mac, then you have the function right click at quick actions, and then here you have remove background, and Mac does a really good job, the Mac tool, the background remover from Mac. But yeah, if you are on Windows, I don't know if Windows has the same function, or yeah, you simply use an online tool. So yeah, and the next step, we want to upload our image and upload our fav icon, and this is what I want to show you next. So then let me show you the customization. You can see the black bar here on top, and there is edit page, new, and customized. So we want to click now on customize. And here you can see we have all different customization options. Here you can see the global customization options. When we click here, then we can set our colors. Here you can change the colors. Here you can see base font color, heading color, link color. You can change this everything to your liking. Then when we go back, typography, if you don't like the typography that we currently have on this website, you can change this. Here you can see load Google Fonts. We can activate this, so this is always good. Then we can activate this, preload local fonts. Yeah, and here you can change the base font. So for example, when we want to have a different font family, so let's see. Okay, right now we don't have all Google fonts. We have to import all the Google fonts. We will do this later. Then yeah, let's go back. Container, scroll to top. This scroll to top icon here, you can turn it on, turn it off, select the icon, the size, and also the color, the alignment. If it's visible on desktop, on tablet, or mobile phone, you can toggle this on or off. Let's see what else. The 404 page, the button color and the size, the sidebar, SEO. Okay, this is good. Let's go back. So this is this for global. Then let's go to the header builder. Here we can see here we can adjust the header. You can see here the social media icon. So if you have social media, then you can connect your social media. So for, when we click here, then the menu will open. So right now we have activate Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and you can hide this when you don't have these social media accounts, and you simply can click here and hide this. So let's say we only have Facebook and Pinterest, and then when we click on this pencil icon, and here we can insert the link address of our Facebook account, of our Pinterest page, and yeah, the icon size we can adjust here. And let's go back, and here you can see you can also integrate your phone number. For example, if you want to have your phone number here, then you can simply we can make the contact here. Then we have our phone number if you want to, or we can delete this. Then you can insert a menu, for example, images, buttons, if you want to have a call to action button here, for example. So then logo here we can, I don't know why we don't see this, but we can replace this with our logo. So let's go here. You can see now upload files or the media library. So when you have already uploaded your logo, for example, then you can find your logo here in the media library, but we don't, in this case, we don't have any logo uploaded already. So then we go to upload files, then I select the file. And here you can see travel logo and open. Now this logo is uploaded, and I hope we will see this now. Yeah, there it is. Cool. And here we can set the width of the logo. So I think it's a little bit big. So then let's make it a little bit smaller. I think this size is okay. Perfect. Site title. No, we don't want to have the site title. Site tagline we don't want to have, and here we have our search bar. So when people come to our new blog, our new travel blog, then they can search for something here. And here also we have the second line of our header. You can see in the second line is only the menu one. Here we can set the style. So right now it's choose the menu. Here we can choose our menu, and here's the styling, but I think this is okay. Here the spacing, and we have so many options. And if you want to, then yeah, you can add a new row and put something else in there. Yeah, what's here? Here you can see the design. So when we are on the home page, then this color will show, and the not active links are shown in this color, in the dark gray tone. Yeah, and okay, then we go back. What else? So, and here is the footer. The footer is also important. Here we can set a logo, and yeah, it just works the same. Footer menu, the copyright, if you want to change the copyright. So let's change let's delete powered by. I don't want to have this, and now there's only the travel blog of my website name visible. This is good. So here we don't want to have this, and we can click here on the pencil icon. Got it. With that, here we can change our logo. Click here. Where can I change this? Move to no image. I want to change this. Why is this not working? Well, let me see. Oh, okay, we have to add a new image. We cannot replace the image. So to do this, we have to click on the plus icon, and then yeah, this is because it's built in Gutenberg. So let's see, image, search for image here, and then we can grab this, place this here. And for the footer, I don't like the block style, so this is what we change later, or in a few seconds. We have to add a new plugin that brings us the old style. So let's do this later. Let's go back here. What else? Block settings, block archive. Here you can see here you can set up the page layout in the archives. When you, for example, click on technology on this category, and here you can see how this is displayed. So we can change the category. So for example, when you want to, or when you prefer this style here, then we can do this or this. Know why this is not changing right now. I think it's because we have this menu here. Okay, this is what we have to fix later as well. And the post elements, what you want to show, the featured image, we can turn it on and off. Oh, in order to make this, let's go back here to the standard layout. Here we have to change, I think we have to change the style bar the sidebar layout. This is the sidebar. So let's put it to default. No, let's put it to no sidebar. And I think thread layout, no. Okay, I don't know why this is not working right now. We have to page header. Let's fix this later. So let me see on single post. So when we click on this post, for example, then yeah, featured image. See, yeah, we can turn this on and off. Categories, title, post meta. So post meta is this by admin. So I think I want to hide this, the name, and yeah, this is better than breadcrumbs. Is this here? So this is really important as well for the search engines. Here we can see the style. Let's see if this works when we put. Yeah, okay, this works. So here you can see now we can change the sidebar, put it back, or even we can do it on full width with no sidebar. Then we have our articles in full width. But let's put it back to this layout with the sidebar, stretch layout, post text, post navigation, show author box. So yeah, you can turn this on or off if you want to create or show your author box. Then what else? Show related post is down here. Here you can change the name. My related post. Oh, what's now my? Why it's jumping back and forth? So let's delete this. My related post. Then you can see the number of posts or the rows. Show after comments. Show comments. So normally if you get comments, so these are mostly spam comments, so then you can turn the comment section off so that no comments will shown, but you can leave it on, of course. Then let's go back, archive, search page. Yeah, it's the same. You can change the layout here. Then this is for our normal pages, for our about us section, for example, that we want to create later. This is what we can do here. Site identity. So this is important here. We can change the fav icon. So we click on select site icon, upload, and the fav icon. Now I want to select it. Yeah, crop the image. Great. Now you can see the fav icon has already changed. We can close this here. Yeah. Then let's click on publish to save everything. Go back, menus, homepage settings. This is already done. So the homepage and the blog page is already done. Yeah, and yeah, that's it here. Oh, and there was one thing left. So the footer, like I told you, I don't like the way the footer is built here. So let me go to plugins, add new plugin, and here we want to install and activate the classic widget plugin. So I click here on install and then activate. So then this is activate, and yeah, here you can see all our installed and activated plugins, classic widget, demo importer we can delete later, so post X and Rishi companion. And on the right side you can see automatic update. So this is really important that you enable these. So I click on enable. So, and every time there is an update for the specific plugin, then your website, your WordPress installation will automatically download and install this update. This is really important because yeah, then you get all the new functions and all the security updates for these specific plugins. So yeah, make sure that all the plugins, the automatic update function for the plugins is activated. Great, then let's go back to our front page. Let's refresh this and let's go again to customizer and then to footer builder. Or let's click here on the footer, and yeah, so this is much better. So here you can see the image here is built with an HTML block, and this is not good. And here's the block. This is where the text is, so we can click on, I don't know why they built this with HTML, but it is what it is. Then we click on remove, and then we click on add a widget, and here we can add the image widget. Then we click on add an image, then we select the, our logo, add, yeah, perfect. And now click on done, and then we can drag and drop this and move this up here. So maybe it's a little bit too big, then we can click on edit image. Now it's medium 300. We can click on custom size, so let's make it 250 for example. Then update. Yeah, no, this is better, maybe. Okay, but we can leave this here. So, and here, okay, they made it again with HTML. Yeah, you can, because they set the font size, you can see font size 50 pixel. We can leave this in the text color as well. So now here you can see, here is the text. And here you have to write a little bit about your blog, what you will present for blog posts on your blog, and so on and so forth. So explain a little bit about the specific website, about your blog, and then put it here. So replace this from travel to website. Yeah, and then we click on publish. So this is better. This is what we want to do later. So the destination. Yeah, or let's see how they build it. Okay, they build it with menus. So here you can see this is the title. We can change the title, and then this is the footer menu we can change. And I think here's the same. Here we can make, for example, quick links, and then we can put in here our homepage and yeah, everything. Then we click on publish again. Okay, so now we have fixed this. Yeah, and I think the next step is that we create the pages, the about us page, for example, and the contact us page, and this is what we do next, I think. So let me show you real quick how the categories are working. So when we go to posts, so here are all our blog posts. When I click on all posts, then I can see here all our demo blog posts. So hello world, this is what we can move into the trash. So then, yeah, these are all the demo blog posts. And here you can see categories. Here are all the categories, apps, all the demo categories. And we want, for example, now we want to add 3 main categories where we want to write our blog post. So then let's make the first is travel. Then I can click on add new category. You can see travel is here. Then what else? Let's make a category vlog. and hotels. So now we have the categories, and all the other categories we can delete. So computing, this gadget, this technology, and Windows. So this uncategorized we cannot delete. This is always there. This is good. Then we go to bulk actions, delete and apply. So, and now all the categories are gone. This is perfect. And so now let's go to our front end, to the website real quick. And yeah, here you can see now all the categories are gone, because beside home, the homepage link, and apps. I don't even know. Okay, apps. Why we have still apps here? Oh, let's delete this. Okay, so now I think when we go back to the homepage, yeah, now we only have home, and this is good. And yeah, this we will change later here. So then, yeah, later I want to make our category. Let's do this real quick. So let's go here. Then we go to appearance and then menus. So footer menu, let's select menu 1 primary, select. Now here you can see we only have the home page. I want to add now a custom link. And here I want to block categories. So now we have to find the URL. So the URL of this is, we have to do this first. So or can I find this here? Or I simply can do this after our main URL slash blog. I think this is the right one. Yeah, and here are all our blog posts displayed. So then let's copy this, go here and paste this in your website URL, and then slash blog. This is what you have to enter. Then we click on add new. Now we have in our menu blog categories, and I also want, we have to first create the pages. So I want to create the about us page and contact us page. And yeah, now let's click on save menu. So now the menu is saved. Let's go back to the dashboard and go back to the front end, click on home. Yeah, now we have the blog categories. Oh, let's go back, and we can go back to appearance and menus, categories. We can put this in there. Yeah, why not? So hotel and vlog, I want to put this in here, and now I want to make this a subcategory. Then I simply grab this and yeah, make this as a sub item. Also can put it here, but I want to put this here. Click on save menu. Menu is saved. Let's refresh the homepage. Yeah, now we have all our blog categories underneath here as a sub menu. And now I want to build the most important pages of our blog. So I want to build the About Us page, and I want to build the Contact Us page. So then let's do this. Then we have to go to, when we are on the dashboard, then we have to go to pages. Yeah, and here we can see all our pages. So we can see the blog page and the home page, and here is our privacy policy, what's currently in draft mode. So we can activate this. So in order to activate this, we go to quick edit, and then you can see here under status that this page is right now under draft, and then we can click on publish and update. So now this page is live, and yeah, you should have the privacy policy page and also the terms and conditions page when you want to build a blog, so that you are completely safe. And in order to edit this, so there are a ton of different privacy policy page generators out there. They are free, and also there are a ton of terms and condition page generators out there. Simply go to Google and search for privacy policy generator free or something like this, or terms and conditions generator free. And with these generators you are able to generate these pages or the content for these pages in literally no time, or really fast. So you only have to input I don't know, your name, maybe you have a company name, but I don't think you haven't, and then you put in the email address of the website and the URL of the website, and you click on generate, and then you will get the content. You can download this content or copy this content as an HTML. So let me show you how this works. When you let us go here, privacy policy edit, right click and open a new tab, and then okay, here are some information. We don't need this. So when you you can simply mark all this content, and then click on delete, and then make a new line. And here you can add click on this little plus icon here, and then you can search in the search bar for HTML, for example, then custom HTML, and here you can paste the HTML code. So this is the easiest way to input the generated content for the privacy and terms and condition page. So simply put it in here, and then you can go to preview, and then you can see how this looks like. And when you done this, then click on save, and then this is saved. And the same thing goes for, and I don't save this now, I click on leave, and the same goes for the terms and conditions. You click on add new page. Let me do this real quick. Add new page, then you write terms and condition, and then you will go here, the plus icon, and again search for HTML, or you can see now I have it here, custom HTML, and then you paste it in here. And after you've done this, then you click on publish, and then everything is good. Or you can simply copy and paste the complete text without HTML, without doing the HTML method. So these are the two ways. And to go back, we simply click here, and now you can see a privacy policy in terms and conditions. So then let's create the about us page and the contact us page. So now we go again, or we click again on add new page. So we do right click, open in a new tab. Let me put this here. I will name this page about us. So, and now we can start designing this page. So we are working right now with Gutenberg. So let me click on publish, that this page is published. And here you can see we have some template kits. When we click on templates, then we will see, so this takes time because all the page, the content, the previews have to be downloaded to our computer. And here you can see we have a few templates of complete sites, but we only want to have pre-made patterns. You can see on the top starter packs and pre-made patterns. So we click here, and here you can see all the pre-made patterns we have. So we can do this with these patterns here. So simply when we you can see here all these pre-made patterns. So it completely depends on your likings, what you want to have, how you want to style your pages. You can see here these patterns are really cool and they are free. You can see they have a ton, and also they have a few pro patterns, so these patterns we cannot use, and all these patterns with the green import icon here, this pattern we can use. Or we have the option we can do this manually. So when we are here on this page, then we can click on this plus icon, and for example, let's search for column. There we have columns, and here you have the different column styles. So we have 100%, 50-50 or 50%, and here you can see all the columns. So we click here on 50% and 50%, for example, and here on this little inner plus icon, then we can search for text, whatever we want to put in here, paragraph. And here we can, we can talk about us. So, hi, my name is Tim, and this is my new blog. And on this side, we can press here, and here we can, you can search for an image, for example, or press here, and then we can click here. And here we can upload an image or select an image of from our media library. Let me select one from our media library. So let's take this image. Yeah, and this is completely up to you how you will or how you want to design this About Us page. Let's, for example, take a pre-made pattern here. Let's take this, for example, import. So now you can see we have imported this. Yeah, and here we can change the text. Here you can see when we click here on this section, on the text section, then you can see under blocks, you can see the styling, the alignment. You can completely play around with this. Heading style 1, you can choose another heading style, the heading tag. And yeah, so here you can see the spacing. Yeah, you can completely play around with this, advanced settings, margins, and so on. Yeah, then you can style this page and make it look friendly. And then we click on Save Settings. So then let's close this, let's refresh this, and there's our About Us page. So then we hover over this view, open a new tab. And yeah, here it is. And maybe we can remove this or we can leave it here. So let's adjust the sidebar here real quick. So I don't want the archive and this. So for this we go back here. We go to Appearance Widgets, and here are the sidebar widgets. So you can see a sidebar, and this is all made with blocks from the Rishi theme. So what's the last thingy here? Recent posts, recent comments. Or let's delete the third. I think the first is the search. Yeah, the search we can leave. Then this is recent posts. See, recent posts, okay. Recent comments and archives, and so the next 3 we can definitely delete. This is recent comments. Yeah, we can click on delete here. Then this archive we can delete. Categories we can delete. Recent posts we already have, so, and this we will delete as well. Recent posts, delete. And what's this? Oh. Categories again and recent posts again. Or we leave this. I think I like this a little bit better because we have here the little image thumbnail thingies. So let's go. We want to delete. Let me refresh this. Let me see. Okay. Categories can delete. This is the categories. Yeah, delete. And the last thingy, I want to move to the second space, second slot. So, okay, let's refresh this real quick. Okay, and then we can delete the last block here, delete. So perfect. Now we only have two blocks. And if you want to add anything to here, you can simply, here on the left side, you have all the widgets that you can add, blocks, categories, gallery, metadata, pages, reason, search, text, videos, everything. You can add everything here. So, and let me see here, footer. Okay, footer, we can, this is this. And this is the navigation menu. Quick links, we have to edit the menu later on. So great, then let's go back here. This is our About Us page that you have to design. Let me refresh this. Yeah, now we only have the search bar and the recent post. This is good. Then let's go back to pages. And now we want to add the Contact Us page, or we want to create the Contact Us page. So for this, we have to go here or hover over Add New Page, right click, open a new tab. And we name this page Contact Us. So, and here we want to make column 50-50 and add a paragraph. Can we? No, cannot. So, and here when you hover between the two columns, then you can manually add a new column if you want. So, and here we want to do you want to send us a message? Here you can, I don't know, send us a message in different ways. I don't know. Oh. Here, then let's put here a nice image. So here maybe, and yeah, on this side maybe make a nice image of yourself. Let's insert this, and here we can make another column 50-50. So put in a paragraph. Contact us. Then info at your website, my blog.com. We want to have a phone number, phone, and so on. So let's make this big. And on this side, we can, let's publish this real quick. Publish. Okay, let's close this. Refresh the site. Let's see how the site looks. Contact us. Okay, here's the site. And here you can see the edit button. Let's Let me see if we can parent post X settings. Here we have different settings, breakpoints. No, let's go back. Page template, default template without title. Yeah, here are all the various settings we can make for this page. Okay, but now this is okay. I will leave the page. So, and now I think we have to add a contact us plugin, or yeah. So we go here on plugins, add new plugins. Then let's search for WP Forms. So here WP Forms, then we click on install now. And also we need this WP Mail SMTP plugin. So this plugin enables the website to send out emails, because yeah, that's not enough to have the form plugin. We also need this SMTP plugin. Then we click on install now. Have to wait. Okay, perfect. Then let's go back to installed plugins. So now we have to activate the WP Forms Lite. Click on activate here. Then create your first form. Let's go. Here your name. Name your form. Yeah. So then we want to have a simple contact us form. So we click on use template. Then this wizard here, embed in the page. I don't want this right now, so I can close this. So let's go back to general. No, fields here. On this side, fields. So here is our contact us form. So you can see the name, simple contact form. They have to input the first name, the last name, the email address, and here they can send or input the message. And here's the submit button. So you can add any field if you want, as many fields as you want. You can see on the left side here, single line text, paragraph. You can simply drag and drop this here, for example. Then, yeah, they can select something. You can label this, and here you can edit the choices. If you want to have this, then you can go to the trash bin icon here, delete this, and if you want, you can also duplicate this. So you can see here this duplicate button, then you can duplicate every form. But this is okay for our contact us form. So we click on save, and here you can see the embed button. Then select existing page. We select contact us, and then let's go. Here you can see add a blog. Click the plus button, search for WP Forms. Click the blog to embed it. Okay, done. And no, we don't want to rate this. So click on the plus icon, WP Forms. There it is. And insert this form, and now we have to select the form. Yeah, we only have one form. Great. And yeah, here it is. So, and also we can, yeah, we have here, we can simply drag it here, I think. Yeah, okay. I think this is a little bit too close, so click on save. Let's see how this looks like. Save, view page, open a new tab. Yeah, why not? So then let's leave this for now. Close this. menus, and here let's go back. So then I want to go to appearance menus, menu 1 primary, and here I want to add these pages. Of course, we have to later on, we have to design these pages. This is only to make a quick page that we have the page, and yeah, the complete design process we will do later. So put on in all the images, the right text and so on, but only that we have these pages right now that we can work with them. So then let's add these pages, contact us and about us, add, save. So, okay, this is saved. And let's refresh the site here. And yeah, here they are. Here are our block categories. Here are the pages, so we can navigate between them. And yeah, so then I think now let's design the front page. And let's take a look at our homepage. So I want to edit the homepage. I want to go here, hover over edit page, right click, open in a new tab. And I can close this. So, and then I click here on the main image on the slider, and then I click here on this image pattern button. So, and here you can see I want to have these post slider style one. So I click on import, and here it is. So this looks much better, and yeah, this looks great. So let me go here. Here are the settings for this specific block. What's this? These are the images. Wait, let me see. Overlay. Okay, no, I don't want this. Meta, so I don't. Okay, perfect. So when I click here, then I can remove the metadata. So you can see I want to get rid of this thingy here, and here you can also the categories. You can disable this, the read more button. Yeah, we definitely want to have this. And if you click here on the little arrow icon, then you can modify the read more text. Long arrow, yeah, you can modify this. For example, you can style this. So let's make this maybe color, let's make this green or something like this. So yeah, this is good. Solid color. We don't want to have a border. You can set up a border radius if you want to have this. Then here we can, yeah, 40 characters is good. Yeah, everything is good. Color, we can leave the color. The arrow is good. Dots are good. Okay, yeah, this is great. So then let's click on save, that these settings are saved. And here, yeah, will be displayed your latest blog post. And now, yeah, I think it's the best when we add a text block here, so that we can tell a little bit about our blog site, what our blog is all about. So this is of course good for the reader. Then they can, yeah, read a little bit about us, about our blog, and also this is good for the search engines like Google and so on. So then we click here, then we click on, yeah, you can make a column, for example, if you want to include an image or something like this, or we can make a paragraph. Let's see, columns. Can we, yeah, let's make this 66. This is good. So, and here we can set a paragraph, and here we can make an image, select image. Then here you can upload an image of yourself, for example, and I do this, select, okay, and here I have a text, sample text, lorem ipsum text. So let me copy this, or let me copy the whole thingy here, copy, and well, there it is. So then let's paste it in here. You can see Yeah, this looks good. So, and to add a new object, oh, I cannot. I want to add a new object. Oh, and to add a new object, you simply have to select the top box, and then here you can hover underneath this block, and then you can see add a new block. And here we want to add a spacer, so we search for spacer, so that we have a little bit space between these two blocks. So yeah, this looks good. And yeah, you can add text, more text if you want. Simply hover in between these blocks, and then this add a block thingy will appear. And so let's customize this. I think this block looks good. Recent, hot, latest. So you can we customize this? Yeah, we can customize this. So here we can change the text, latest. Okay, we can leave this for now, and then let me show you how we can customize this. So when we click here, how we can edit the image in the background. Oh, I can, see, we can simply click yeah, activate this and click on replace. Then we can upload or open media library. So let's see, this is 1170 by 144. Is this correct? Yeah, I think. Okay. Let me open Canva real quick. Okay, now I made a new image with this size 1170 by 144. I will call this test banner, for example. Then I go to elements, put this in here, photos. Well, let's search for travel. Which image? So how can we fit this image? Yeah, this is a little bit stupid because this is so wide and not so high. Okay, we can leave this and then share, download. Great, then let's go back, upload files, select files, and from our download folder, open this, select. Yeah, this is good. And here we can, for example, contact us. Do you have any questions? Use our contact form. Block, background. Okay, now this is gone. H2. Here we can customize the banner, the button. And here you can write everything. You can make everything out of this banner. It completely depends on you. So here we can set the link, and the link goes to our contact page. Right click, copy link address. Then I will put this in here, hit enter. Perfect. Now we have a working banner. So then let's save this. Great. Let's refresh our site. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, here's the text. This looks very good. Here are all our articles. Perfect. So then let's, for example, write a new article. So I will go to posts or click on posts. Here I can see all our demo content. So if you want to delete them, you can select them one by one, or you can bulk select them, and then under bulk actions you have the move to trash and then click on apply. But for now I want to leave this so that we have something here. And yeah, I will now write a test blog post. So add a new post, right click, open in a new tab. Our journey to, I don't know, Germany. So this is the title, and here on this side set featured image. You can upload your image. I will select this for now, or let me select, or let me make a new one. Let me journey test. I have to select an object here, and then I can go to photos, travel again. This photo is cool. Share, download. Upload file, select files. Set featured image. And here we can select the category that we created. And if you want to create a new category, so this is really simple. Here you have the add new category button, and then you can simply add the category. I will select travel. Text we don't need. So, and here let me copy another demo text. Can we select everything? Let me see. Copy and paste it here. Yeah, great. Okay, then we click on publish. And if you want to see how this works, I have a dedicated video on my channel, and there I show you in detail how you can create a good blog post, how you structure the blog post. Of course, in this tutorial I don't want to show you everything in detail here, how to, or I want to show, not want to show you the details how you can structure the blog post. So this is a complete another topic, and if you want to learn more about this, then yeah, please head over to my channel, and there you will find a ton of videos, or a few videos about how to structure a blog post. Then yeah, let's close this. Let's go here. Yeah, and here's our new our recent blog post. You can see it's in the category travel, our journey to Germany. Then I can click here on read more, or your reader can click here, and yeah, here it is. So looking good. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, now let's go here, quick links. So let's make this and this. So destination quick links. So for this, let's make here our categories, and here the quick links, destination. So then let's go back to our backend. Let's go to appearance, menu. So now we need a new menu. Then we go here to create a new menu, and let's call this categories. Categories, yeah, spelled it correct, I think. And then create menu. Okay, now category has been updated. And let's see what we can add here. Under categories, here are all our block categories. So we'll select these three, add here, save menu, again, save menu. Perfect. And to receive notifications, let's activate this real quick. So then the banner is gone here. In the meantime, oh, for some reason this doesn't work. Okay, perfect. And now we need another menu, the quick link menu. Or did we create it already? No. Then we create another new menu. Let's call this quick links, create menu. Again, okay, quick menu has been updated. And here we can see under pages, view all. So here we add home, blog, privacy, and this. Add here, so the privacy and the terms and conditions. I want this here. Then I click save. Has been updated. Okay. Now let's go to widgets. 2, I think. Yeah, destination. So then right here, block categories, and then we select our new menu. Categories, save, done. And here under quick links, we select quick links, save, and done. Perfect. So let's see how this looks on the front end. Oh yeah, much better, much better. Follow us. Did we have this under 4? Yeah, here here are the social links. You can make your social links if you want, or you can add something else. For example, if you want to add a calendar, for example, you can simply drag and drop this here. Title, I don't know, calendar, for example, and yeah, all the other widgets. You can add text here if you want, a search bar, meta description, everything you want. So then go back here, let's see. Yeah, let's delete the calendar again. I don't like this. So calendar, delete. Okay, now the calendar is gone. Refresh this. Yeah, this looks good. This looks very good. Okay, let's go back home. Now let's go back to our home page. I think let's delete something here, and let me show you how you can edit all these categories here and how you delete them or customize them. So let me quick go back to, or let's go to edit page, open a new tab, close this. So here is the page. What all this? So post not found. Recent. What's this? Blog? How is this made here? Layout. Posts. Specific post. Order by date. Okay, this is because this is set to technology, but we don't have the technology. We deleted this, so then we click or we activate travel, for example, and yeah, so you can make the category here travel, and then you will display all or the new blog posts from the travel category. And I don't like the metadata here. Let me see if we can deactivate the metadata. Yeah, here it is, metadata off. The same goes for this post. You can rename this and set it to a new category. So now it's set to all categories. So, and here again, where is now our metadata? Here it is. Metadata off. Yeah, and here the same, metadata off. Okay, cool. Yeah, we can delete, for example, this button. Pagination, load more. What's this load more button? Okay, this, I see. Okay, we cannot delete the load more button. So then we leave the load more. What's this? Add text. So we can delete this. Okay, so now it's much cleaner. And yeah, if you want to, for example, delete this section here, simply activate the section and then the 3 dots options and then delete this. Latest, yeah, maybe it's a little bit too much. Yeah, you can edit this if you want. You can customize this to your likings. If you like this layout, then leave it. If you want to delete something, simply activate this section and then here and then go to delete. Or you can customize this here. Yeah, but we can leave this now, save. We can close this. Let's refresh this. This looks good. So let me show you some other plugins that you should install. So let's go back to plugins, add new plugins. And here we go to popular. What I recommend to you is install Yoast SEO, because this plugin is a really good SEO plugin, and this will help you with all the SEO settings and meta titles and yeah, all the settings for SEO. So we click on install now, and now we have to wait. Okay, now it's installed. We don't activate this right now. Let's go a little bit further down. So in this plugin, Sitekit by Google, this is the best plugin to connect your website or this blog that you are building here to Google Analytics and to Google Search Console. So this Google Analytics and Google Search Console will give you all the analytic data. So for example, what are your best pages, how many visitors you have per day, how many visitors you have per month. You can see everything in the back end. And also if you visit Google Search Console, the website, or Google Analytics, the website, then you can see everything. And this is so easy to connect with Google Search Console and Analytics. You simply install this and then you click on activate, and then you have a setup with that will guide you through the whole setup process. So it is super simple. You simply connect this with your existing Google account, and then yeah, this wizard will guide you through the whole process, and it's super simple. And yeah, this is essential. I think you have to install this and activate this. I don't want to do this right now because yeah, this is a sample page, demo blog that I created on my own computer. So this makes no sense. But for you, if you want to create a real website, then this is really important that you install and activate this. And also this plugin here, Updraft Plus, if you want to make backups of your website. This is also really easy. You will find dedicated videos, for example, on my channel about how to connect this with different backup accounts. And yeah, so in case something goes south with your website, then it's really simple to restore your website. For example, you made a mistake or your website get hacked or something like this, then this is yeah, one of the best solutions to restore your website. So you can make automatic backups, you can make an automatic backup schedule. This plugin is really great. So like I said, I have dedicated videos about how to install, how to set up this backup tool. This is really great. So yeah, I can recommend to install this and activate this. And this tool also has a setup wizard that will guide you through the whole setup process. So it's super simple, but yeah, you can go to my channel and there I will show you, I have a dedicated video, I will show you everything in detail, but it's super simple and I can recommend you to install this plugin. But I want to show you a different plugin. Where it is, let's go to the next page. And I think yeah, I want to show you a cookie plugin. So a good cookie plugin is Complianz. This is a really good plugin, but a plugin I like a little bit better is, where it is, where is it here, Complianz. This is really cool because this, let me install this. You will get the cookie banner. I think, yeah, of course, it depends on where you are in the world. So if you are in the United States, you have different laws for cookie banners. You have to, here in Germany, you have to have a cookie banner and the different pages, important pages. So let me show you then Complianz, and I click on activate, and here you can see now the setup with it. Setup wizard will start. Then I click on next. No, I don't want any emails. Then I click on start wizard, and here you can see I can select where I am in the world. So if you are in the United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Canada, Australia. So I will click here on European Union because I'm in Germany, and yeah, yes, log in, no. Then I click here. And here you can see cookie policy. So we are using the free version. We don't have the cookie policy page, so we will generate, or this plugin will generate this page for us. Then privacy statement, existing page, and I can see privacy. I can select privacy policy, imprint. I don't have an imprint here. Disclaimer, no. Save and continue. So who's the owner of the website? Tim. Then I can put something in here. Of course, you have to put in your address. What is your country? Then I will select Germany here when I can find this. Germany, where is it? Germany. What is your email? Test at gmail.com. What is your phone number? We don't need a phone number. This is not required. Then that's next. Global privacy. I will click yes, save, continue. And here, how do you track your website? So like I told you before, with the Google plugin, we are connecting our website with Google Analytics. I will click here. Does the following apply to your website? Yeah, yes, save. No. Tracking ID. Do you want to ask? Yes to. Here. No, this is important that we click here no. So we want to do this with our own plugin or with the Google Search Console plugin that I showed you. Save and continue. No. Next. Now this plugin will scan our website for cookies. Okay, I think the scan is complete. Then we click. So, and here is the missing page. So the cookie policy page for the EU is missing right now on our website. And here we can click on create missing page. Now the page is created. We click on save. And here the plugin asks us where they want to place this, or where they should place this page. Under quick links that we created earlier, then save, show consent banner, yes, enable, yes, finish. Okay, now here you can see how this looks like. So accept, save, 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 save. Okay, and that's it. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Let's visit the front page. Yeah, and here is our new banner. So we click here on accept. And when we hover here, then we can adjust this, or our website visitor can adjust it if they want to. And yeah, here's the new page, cookie policy. Notice is everything good. All the links are added, and yeah, perfect. Great. Go back to our website. So, and now I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Now you have a really good looking blog, and yeah, the blog is really fast. The loading times are really fast because we are using only Gutenberg as a page builder, and yeah, you have a lot of features here. Now you know exactly how you can customize this. You can customize this exactly to your needs, to your likings. Yeah, we have a lot of widgets here, and also what I want to show you. So, and of course, if you have any questions about it, then let me know in the comments down below, and of course I will try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. And also, of course, all the links are in the video description, so yeah, check them out. And what I want to show you real quick is under plugins. So then you have, yeah, you have to activate the WP Mail SMTP. So this plugin enables your website, your new blog, to send out emails. So when somebody goes to your contact us page and fills out yeah, this form here and wants to send this, so now right now our website, this website is not able to send out emails. Or yeah, to send out this contact form when somebody fills it out, and this is why we need this plugin here. So we simply go on activate, and here you can see now this setup wizard will start. So then you can click on when you want to use this wizard, then you can click on let's get started, or go back to the dashboard. So I will click on the wizard. So then you have to go to other SMTP and click on save and continue. So, and here you have to fill out your SMTP host. This is what you will receive from your hosting company. When you go to your hosting company or set up an email address for your new website, then you will automatically see the SMTP host and also the port number and your username and your password. So in most cases, this is your email address, what you have to put in here, and your email password. Then here you have from name. You can customize the from name. So, and then yeah, your from email address. If you want to change this, then you can put in your email address here, and then yeah, you can click on save and continue, and then this tool will check everything. If everything is okay, when there is an issue, when the website cannot send emails, then you will get an error message, and yeah, then you have to see if you put in the right host name, the right port number or username or password. And then you have to try it again. If there is an issue again, yeah, then maybe you have to contact your hosting company, the support team, and ask them what to do. But in most cases, you will, if you create a new email address for this website, then you will automatically see this SMTP host name and your username and your password. In most cases, this is really easy. And yeah, then when you did this, then yeah, your website is able to send out emails, and then everything is perfect. And let me close this wizard here. So, and also if you close the wizard, then you can set this up. Yeah, you have the options here, and let me show you under plugins. So the Yoast SEO tools, then we can click here, and also make sure that you enable all these automatic updates. So this is really important. And then let's take a look at Yoast SEO. So this is a really great tool. You can click here on start the configuration. We can close this, and then SEO data optimization. So then Yoast will optimize all the datas. Here you can set up the website name, the organization name, if you have a special organization name. Here we have to put in our logo. So this is our logo. We have to select the logo, save and continue. If you have any social media, you can add this here. I don't have any yet. You don't have to fill in your email address. Simply click on save and continue. Then everything is good. Then we can click here or go to your SEO dashboard. So 0 problem, 0 notification. This is what we want to see. And now let me go not to dashboard, to pages. And for example, the About Us page. Let me click on edit or open a new tab. And now we have a few options here. Now you can see Yoast SEO. When we go completely down to the end of the page, then we have here, we can select a specific keyword that we want to rank for. So of course, About Us is not a real keyword, but this is only an example. And here you can modify your title tag and the meta description. So this is really important, that you have the right meta description and the right title tag. The meta description is what Google will see when what Google will display your website. Here you can see this snippet. When Google will display our website, then this will show up. So right now we don't have any meta description, so make sure that you make a short description of this specific page. So welcome to our About Us page. Here you will find everything about us. I don't know. So then here you can see this, you have to fill this in. So then when Google will show this page, for example, then people will see this text, the meta description, and then we click on save. And here we click on exit, and the same goes for all your blog posts. Our journey to Germany, again, click on edit here, and then you have to fill in this again. So we can copy the title, put it in here in focus keywords. This is what we want to rank for on Google. So here you can see the title tag, our journey to Germany. This is good. And this is the site name. You can modify this here, and then you have to make a short meta description. So write a short text about this specific blog post, what this specific blog post is about, and then Google will show this up when somebody searches for a trip or journey to Germany, and then your blog post will show up in the search results, and then they can see the meta description, and if they like the meta description, then they will click on your blog post, and then they will read your blog post. And this is how it works. Let me click on save. And I think that this is everything for now. So now you know exactly how to build a blog website. And now you know exactly how to build a travel blog. So, and I hope that you like my little tutorial here. So, and like I said, if you have any questions, then put it in the comments down below. And also, if you like my tutorial, then please press the thumbs up button on the video, and also, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me every subscription counts. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.